Now let's look at the unpacking of this first. Oops. Okay. That's how it looks like. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is an instruction how to take out the camera from the mount. There's a safety instruction. Okay, booklet. We'll read it later. This is a GoPro sticker. I think they gave 2 pieces of this. You can stick anywhere you want. And this, I believe, is a quick start guide. Yeah, go through it before you start, doing anything. And let's see what else is inside. Got a USB-C cable. Yep. A 3M adhesive mount. Yeah, another one. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have inside this box. Now let's take a look at this quick start guide. Yeah. First of all, go to Apple Store or Google Play to download the GoPro app. This is where you can control your GoPro from your handphone, as well as transfer the videos or photos directly to your phone. Then from there on you can actually do an upload to your Facebook or wherever. Oh yeah, you can go live with this thing as well. You just need to connect to your phone, then you can go Facebook live. Yeah, how cool is that? So 2, yeah, this is the instruction how you take the GoPro from the case, and this is the instruction to tell you how to put in your SD card as well as your battery. Now this is the step 4, where you need to pull down the lever here, open up the side door, and connect the cable to charge your GoPro. And over here, I believe this is to start and stop, the side. And also the top part, the top button, is for you to start recording. Yeah, and this is the mount that provided. You can stick it on your helmet, your skateboard, wherever you want, and you can mount it. Okay, now let's look at how to unmount this thing from the box. Yep. It tells me to pull up the rubber. Okay, let's do that. And pull these 2 levers in together and push it out. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, it's coming off. Right. There you go. Now let's try to take it out from the case here. Let's unscrew this part. Okay, I think you don't need this piece of plastic. It asks me to remove. Okay, as you can see. And I'm going to take this out. There you go. And I need to pull this out. Pretty tough. Take it out and push it from behind. Yep. It's not as easy. Okay. There you go. It comes out. There's your GoPro 7. Right. The package I bought with comes with a sleeve plus lanyard for free, and I think they gave me the black one as per requested. Now let's try and take it out. It's black with a grey lanyard. Now let's try and put this in and try to see if it fits. Alright. Okay, turns out just nice. So the package that I bought also comes with a 32 GB of Extreme Pro SD card from SanDisk. Yeah, it's pretty small. So let's see, where do I put this? I believe it's at the back here. Yep, this is where you put your battery, and this little slot up here where you put in your SD card. Make sure this card is actually facing down, okay, like this, and you put it in. Alright, now it fits in, and let's try to put in the battery. Yep. Yeah, this is for you to pull out easily later on. Close it, and there you go. Now some of you might be asking, how much I bought this for. I got a receipt here. It shows 1513. Yeah, that's the price I paid for, and it comes with an additional lanyard sleeve and also a 32 gig of SD card inside, which I already put in. And I do believe that's a pretty good deal, because I've been to many places, shops around, especially those in Mid Valley. I've been to the GoPro shop, been to those IT shops as well. They're selling at 1669. That's a 200 discount from the normal price that the recommended selling price. So 1669 is pretty good deal, but I think I can get a better one. So I went online, go to Shopee. It's an online shopping platform. So that's where I can search for this guy at this price, 1513. And it's not a scam, I got it with a proper distributor from Fun Sports. I think you can see it from this one as well. Yep, you can see this, Fun Sports. So guys, you're not just limited to go in a store and buy this thing. You can get it online as well. Yep, search for the best deal. Now comes to the question, why do I choose GoPro Hero Black 7 and not the rest? Because Osmo just came out with an Osmo Pocket, which is really good. It comes with a built-in gimbal, where you can just hold it and you can start shooting around without any gimbal attached to it, because it itself comes with it. But the thing is, the color, the brightness is just not as great as GoPro Hero 7. And if you compare about the stabilizing part, this guy comes with hyper smooth. Hyper smooth don't need a gimbal. So this, basically you can just hose it this way, maybe with a shorty. I don't have it with me yet, and just move around with this. I will show it to you on the video where I get a clip from YouTube, and you will get to know what's the difference. Now, if you compare it with the 4K Plus, the closest competitor from China, I think that's quite a good action camera. But the thing is, it's not waterproof, and this guy is. And I think Osmo Pocket is not waterproof as well. And the E4K Plus, basically it's a budget type of action camera, if you ask me. The color, the brightness is just not as great as this guy. And of course, it doesn't come with, although they say they have a very good stabilization, software built in, but I don't think so. You can come and take a look at this video. Yep. Now this is the differences. So if I were to buy that, it's about 900 over ringgit. And of course I will need a gimbal with it, you know, together with the E4K Plus. But with this guy, I don't need to. So say I buy E4K Plus 900 plus together with a gimbal, which is another 400 plus, that goes to about 1,500 ringgit. So what makes it doesn't make sense, you know. I'll just go for the top of the range. There you go. This is a quick setup and unboxing of GoPro Hero 7 Black. Please subscribe to my channel, as well as, you know, like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.